What's this?
A waterfall! So cool!
Wow, welcome to one of the 7 wonders of the world. A man-made waterfall.
Yay!
Okay guys, this is a new way for the 5 World Explorer to...
For 3 of them.
For 3 of them, yes. To go visit the town. Here we go, we are rolling around.
We are in Belek right now, which is on the coast of Turkey. It's famous because of the beaches and of course because of the golf course and all the fancy hotels that are in the area. Yes.
It's a very important location for golfing.
There is a lot of houses, new builds all over the area. People will come and rent the house and, you know, go in the little town where it's full of shops, mainly of Turkish products. Or if they have kids and they want to do something different, they can take them to the beach, or they can take them to the land of legends. Also in Belek, we can get Turkish ice cream.
Ah, okay? Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Hello. Quasimo, ice cream. Hello. Ice cream.
Oh!
Kaput. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
That's it. That's all you get.
Only mix. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Hello. Okay, thank you. Hello. Ice cream, you ice cream. Okay, test prova. 1 minute.
That was good. That was good.
Yes, I guess.
Feels like we're leaving him for a month. It's just a week, and we are 2 kilometers away from him, so it's not really a big deal.
We're on the boat.
We are the land of legends here in Belek. Okay, we are exploring this mall by boat now, because Mika really wants to go on the boat. Here are my companions. This is not a real river. This is man-made, clearly.
Oh, that's just all. We're gonna go around.
Yeah, that's all. He's gonna take a picture of us. Look at that.
In the fly? Can I drive this boat slow? Maybe that's no way.
Maybe that's...
Boat ride.
Okay.
Bible Explorers here today. We are in Bhutan. No, we're not. We're currently in a ginormous mall, which has a chlorine river called the Chlorine River. No, it doesn't. The other day we went on a boat in that river. Today we're gonna go to this park, which looks exactly like Disneyland.
The Land
but
of
it's
Legends.
called the Land of Legends. I am officially a legend.
Quasi is officially an adult. This is the adult's bracelet. This is the kid's bracelet.
If you didn't know, you have to be a certain height to do some stuff, so you might want to be careful. If your kid wants to do something like the Gallon Hurricane, which sounds really scary, which I do not want to do, you have to be careful because if you're not tall enough, you can't go on the ride. So I bet you're wondering where our dad is. Well, he's at this little conference thingy. I can't say the name because that's classified. Anyways, today I'm gonna be your awesomely handsome, smoking hot, nice and tall, very long beard, and and with a nice, clean smile. Videographer Cosimo Di Santi here.
Okay, so you can put it off unless you see something.
The park looks at least 60% water and 40% park. Wow, there's a really big blue roller coaster, which I am not doing. But this one looks okay. Oh, no, not anymore. Okay, maybe not. That is crazy. I think this is like a famous one because like this is in the picture, in the front picture. Everyone seems to do it. Hello. Ready to go, Luca? Yeah. Here there's a balloon broken in the wall. The Big Ben of the Land of Legends. A Luca. Some trees. A Luca. And an Emma. And we have finished the ride. And there are a few other cool rides we want to do.
A few. I think there's plenty.
I think there's a few too many.
Oh my gosh!
Oh.
What did you make me do, Luca?
Because it's so perfectly lit. Oh! Look at this one. I'm not going.
That's scary.
Crazy. Masha and the bear sign. And look at this, we're at Bear's house. So Masha and the Bear used to be Luca's favorite TV show when he was little. There's a slide inside his house. Here's a water thing, and Masha's clothes down there.
We are at the Land of Legends park here in Belek in Turkey. It's kind of like a Disneyland. It offers a water park as well as a regular fun park. So we did roller coasters, different rides, and there was Masha and Bear's land. So it was very cool. Luca gets to go by himself on this ride. This is the lunch area where you can get some food, and while you get food, there's plenty of entertainment for the kids. Right over there. Here we are floating in a very freezing, what's it called? A slow river.
Lazy river.
Well, they say it's a wild river. I'm not sure about being that wild.
Not that wild, it's more lazy than wild. Because there's waves, that's why.
Here they're a little bit strict with age, size, to do stuff. So Luca is a little bit limited in what the things he can do. It's not the right height.
Under 12 have to wear a life jacket and be accompanied by an adult.
So I had to come in the freezing water with them because otherwise they couldn't do it. The only problem is the water park. The water is pretty cold. So if you're not used to the colder water, it might be a little bit challenging. How is it? The other issue is that a lot of rides are minimum 120 meters to go on them. So Luca was not able to do as much as we had hoped or as much as we've done in other parks. But it's a cool thing and it's fun. So we'll make it work. Okay, there's the Dolphinarium here too. We missed the show today because, well, we don't really want to see dolphins jumping around in a pool, but we were also busy doing other stuff. They offer experiences of swimming with the dolphin, which I wouldn't do because it's not the best thing for a dolphin, and some other experiences that you can do here, which is of course an extra charge. So we skipped it. Luca is getting ready for another ride. The strangest thing is to think that now 2 of my kids are old enough to basically hang out by themselves at the park. Luca wanted to go back to Masha, and Cosimo and Emma were free to go and do some rides that Luca is too small for. And now they're hanging out by themselves. It's kind of exciting. But we're gonna go on this ride, okay. Are you gonna pull it up? Are you gonna drop it down? Whoa!
Down we go.
Down we go. Woohoo! Wow!
Bye, Luca. Okay, ready. Now, Luca, let's do a backward
He has a magic yell. You dropped him. Did you like it?
Absolutely. We're hoping to come again, but next time with Daddy.
We are back at the Land of Legends for another day, but this time we have Daddy with us.
And then when it gets close to finishing, you just grab it.
Okay, now guys, Emma, Cosmo, we are going to the elevator there. It's gonna drop down. I'm gonna show you. Go around here, and when you get here, it's gonna be a lot of water.
Okay, they clap at you when you leave because they're happy. Bye-bye. See? Bye-bye. See, and they say, and they look at you. So now we're entering the World of Legends Mall. You could basically just live here because there's a hotel, there's a very cool park, and there's a mall. So it's pointless to go anywhere else when you're here. We do some events at night, which I don't think we're gonna last that long after the whole day.
We try.
But we see the pretty lights. Mas had not seen this yet.
Wow.
Look at this amazement in his expression.
All the light.
Wow. It's like Christmas in October.
Yeah, you didn't saw those.
All the lights, right? Look at the pretty lights. If you spend a minimum of 250 lira, you can go on it for free. So we went the other day.
So there's horses pulling it, and then there's horses in the back.
Okay guys, we couldn't be here in Belek and not try something cool.
So we find something cool.
Something
Come
different.
and see what we're gonna do.
Am I gonna drive the tuk-tuk?
We are not all going on one because we don't all fit.
Because I'm gonna drive if you're right. Let's take one.
I drive and mommy drive.
You don't drive.
There.
You are dangerous.
We are currently riding on a sort of scooter, sort of tuk-tuk. So we'll call it a scoot-scoot. Or a tutor.
No, it's a motorcycle.
Should we call it a tutor or a skook-skook?
It's a motorcycle.
It's a motorcycle. It's electric! And who's driving? Don't crash! You might have noticed that me and Daddy are in the lead and the girl and the boy are in the back. Yep, I am that good. I'm driving this thing. Welcome back to the Luca Talks, where we talk what Luca has on his mind. Luca, so how do you like this little ride?
It's bored, but it's cool. It's cool when mommy put it at 2 and then it goes fast.
Ah.
Emma's getting mommy's bag.
Thank you.
So we're gonna ride this motorcycle that's like the same, I don't know. And we're driving right here to this. To do my training.
You want to try it?
Oh, you want to do it, Luca?
Yeah.
And now it's our kids' turn. Okay, stop.
It's good for my first time, eh?
Not bad.
And now Luca will drive. See ya! Luca is driving the car. He is driving the car.
Oh my gosh, you're letting the kid drive.
Guys, don't worry, I'll get you there. I am back. Man, this kid is crazy.
Let's go. Bye.
Beep. Sorry guys, you cannot see this video because these are very violent for kids and you may not see it. Sorry, ma'am. Goodbye.
So if you're in Belek, you want to try to rent these things, they're super cool. You should come here and get one and just go for a ride.
Hi, I'm Mama, I'm videoing you. Hi, I'm Mama, I'm videoing you. Wow, welcome to Belek. So say Belek, say Belek, say Belek. Oh, it's Christmas time in Belek.